Real estate investors are using AI to analyze 10,000 properties while you sleep. If that sounds impossible, you need to see how far behind you actually are. Let me show you what's actually possible with current AI technology in real estate. We're not talking about future predictions. This is available today. Traditional property analysis is slow. You find a listing, pull the property details, research comparable sales, calculate potential rental income, estimate repair costs, analyze the neighborhood, check crime stats, look at school ratings, and evaluate market trends. For one property, this takes anywhere from an hour to several days. Now imagine you want to analyze every new listing in your target market. If 200 properties hit the market this week, you physically cannot review them all. Before tall, the good deals are gone. You're competing against investors who can analyze faster, and increasingly, you're competing against AI that never sleeps. Here's how AI property analysis actually works. These systems connect directly to the MLS and listing platforms. The moment a property goes live, the AI sees it. No manual searching required. First, it pulls all the property data: square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, year built, property taxes, HOA fees. Then it goes even deeper. It scrapes public records for ownership history, previous sales prices, and permit history. Next, it analyzes comps properties, but not just 3 or 4 comps like a human would review. The AI looks at hundreds of similar properties in the area, identifies patterns, and calculates an accurate market value range. It adjusts for condition, location, and current market history. Then it estimates the cash flow. The AI pulls rental data from multiple sources like Zillow, Redfin, and local listings, and calculates expected monthly rent based on actual market data. It factors in vacancy rates specific to that neighborhood and house type. The system calculates the potential cash flow. It knows your financing terms, down payment, interest rate, and loan structure. It estimates property management costs, maintenance reserves, insurance, and taxes. Within seconds, you get projected cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and total ROI. But here's where it gets insane. The AI doesn't just analyze one property. It analyzes every property that meets your criteria simultaneously. Location, price range, property type, minimum cash flow, maximum renovation budget. The AI monitors everything and only alerts you to properties that match. It's also catching patterns humans miss. AI can analyze satellite imagery to assess property condition, roof age, and landscaping quality. It reviews crime data, school ratings, employment trends, and demographic shifts in the neighborhood. And it tracks how long similar properties stay on market and identifies pricing anomalies that signal motivated sellers. Some platforms use predictive analytics. They forecast which neighborhoods will appreciate based on infrastructure projects, business development, population migration, and dozens of other factors. The AI is reading planning documents, building permits, and commercial real estate trends to predict where growth will come next. Let's talk about specific tools doing this right now. Roofstock uses AI to analyze single-family rental properties and calculate expected returns. DealCheck automates property analysis and generates reports in seconds. Reonomy provides commercial real estate data with AI-driven insights. Mashvisor analyzes Airbnb and traditional rental potential using LLMs. Bigger platforms like Zillow and Redfin have their own algorithms constantly evaluating properties. Institutional investors are using proprietary AI systems that analyze thousands of properties daily, which is partly why they're buying up residential real estate so aggressively. They have an information advantage. While other investors are manually reviewing a few properties a day, while AI is monitoring thousands. When a genuinely good deal hits the market, you're alerted immediately with full analysis already done. You can make offers faster and with more confidence. There are limitations, though. AI is only as good as the data it receives. Garbage in, garbage out still applies. If listing photos don't show major issues or public records are incomplete, the AI can miss problems. You still need to physically inspect properties and verify. AI also struggles with unique properties or unusual markets. It excels at analyzing standard residential properties with comparable data. Custom homes, land deals, or properties and markets with limited transaction history are harder for algorithms to accurately assess. The cost varies. Some tools are free with limited features. Professional platforms range from $50 to several $100s per month. For serious investors analyzing dozens of properties weekly, the time savings alone justify the cost. Here's the reality. Real estate investing is becoming a data game. The investors with better information and faster analysis win the best deals. AI doesn't replace your judgment, but it dramatically expands what you can evaluate. If you're still manually analyzing every property one by one, you're operating at a disadvantage. The market is moving toward automation. Investors who adopt these tools early are building portfolios faster than those who resist. AI analyzing properties while you sleep isn't science fiction. It's the current competitive landscape. The question is whether you're using it or getting left behind.